Welcome to Ezra Codes. Today, I want you to imagine something. You're casually browsing the internet, checking your social media accounts or email as usual. Suddenly, a login page appears. It looks just like Facebook, Gmail, or Instagram. The colors, the logos, even the text fields. Everything looks perfect. Feel free to enter your username and password. But here's the kicker. What if this page isn't the real website? What if it's actually a fake website created by a hacker to steal your login information? And what if, as you type, a hidden program is secretly recording your every keystroke? Scary thought, right? That's exactly what phishing and keylogging attacks do. Today, we'll talk about a simple program to simulate these attacks, but in a safe and educational way. In the end, you'll not only understand how hackers deceive users, but you'll also have a powerful app to share with your friends and raise awareness. Ready? Let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let's make sure we understand what phishing and keylogging really are. Imagine you get an email from your bank asking you to verify your account urgently. The email looks real, the sender's address looks legitimate, and it even uses your bank's logo. You click the link, which takes you to a website that looks just like your bank's login page. You enter your username and password, hoping to secure your account. But guess what? That website isn't your bank at all. It's a fake page set up by hackers to steal your credentials. This is what we call phishing. Now, let's talk about keylogging. Imagine there is a tiny program running on your computer or hidden inside an app that silently records every key you press, every letter of your password, every credit card number you type. You have no idea it's happening, but the attacker is watching every keystroke in real time. That's the danger of keyloggers. Have you ever wondered if you could spot such attacks? The truth is, many people can't. That's why tools like the one we're building today are so important. They help us understand the risks by showing us exactly how these attacks work without causing any harm. All right, now to the fun part, coding the main window. This window will let users select which fake login page they want to simulate: Facebook, Gmail, or Instagram. We'll use a drop-down menu for this so users can easily pick from the list. Below the drop-down, there will be a button labeled Create Fake Page. When the button is clicked, a new window will open, showing the fake login form for the selected platform. Think of yourself as the user here. Which platform would you choose first? Facebook with its blue theme, Gmail with its clean white look, or Instagram's vibrant colors? The main window will also display a counter showing how many fake login attempts have been recorded, just to give a sense of activity. Plus, there will be a Clear Logs button to reset the count and erase previous data. Our app also comes with some handy features. We show a live count of how many fake login attempts have been recorded. This helps users see how often such attacks could happen. There's also a Clear Logs button, which wipes the recorded data clean, resetting the count. Imagine if you saw your login count increasing and you didn't know why. It would definitely raise alarms. By building this project, you're getting a first-hand experience of how these attacks feel and how important it is to be cautious online. Next, the fake login windows. For each platform, the window will have its own color scheme and logo at the top to make it look familiar and convincing. For example, Facebook's window will be a deep blue, Gmail's will be bright white, and Instagram's will have a pinkish purple gradient. Each window will have two entry fields, one for the user's email or username and another for the password, where the input is hidden for privacy. There will also be a login button to submit the form. But remember, this is all a simulation. When you press login, the program will record what you typed into a local file, and then show a warning message explaining that this is just a demo. Imagine you're a hacker setting up these fake pages. How convincing would you make them? Would you add more fields? Maybe a CAPTCHA? For now, simplicity is key for learning. Now comes the core of our project, capturing and displaying the data. When a user submits their fake credentials, we append them to a local file called log.txt. This simulates the attacker collecting stolen information. But unlike real attacks, we're doing this on our own computer, safely and responsibly. After saving the data, a pop-up window appears, displaying the captured info along with a clear warning. This was just a demo. Do not enter real credentials on untrusted websites. This message helps users understand the risks and avoid falling victim in real life. We must always emphasize that this is educational. Imagine how someone would feel if they realized they'd just given away their password on a phishing site. This demo helps raise that awareness. Thanks so much for watching this full tutorial. Feel free to modify this project, add new fake pages, or improve the UI. It's a great way to practice your Python skills and learn cybersecurity concepts. Source code in the description. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might benefit, and subscribe to Ezra Codes for more exciting projects. Stay safe online, and see you in the next video.